A question that I see very frequently: what drone should I buy for capturing breathtaking aerial views? But with so many options out there, how do you choose the perfect one for you? First and foremost, even though it might be obvious, consider what you're going to use the drone for. Do you want to capture stunning aerial photos and videos and share it with your family? Or you just want a fun device to fly around and annoy your neighbors? When it comes to drones, there are generally two categories that you need to consider: traditional quadcopters or FPV drones. FPV, or first-person view drones, they have a low latency live feed that will allow the drone pilot to see whatever is going on in real time, typically through a pair of goggles. Traditional quadcopters also have a live feed that's being displayed on a screen on the remote or through a smartphone app. But it doesn't provide the same immersive feeling as the FPV drones with the goggles. Overall, the traditional quadcopters are very easy to fly, produce really stunning footage with a traditional drone, and it's a good choice for beginners. FPV drones are more challenging to fly and require a lot of skill and practice to master. The choice between the two will depend on your personal preference. Next, think about your budget. Drones can range from a few $100 up to several thousands, so decide how much you're willing to spend. Keep in mind that the more expensive drones come with extra features and better performance. But they are not necessarily worth it if you just want to fly around and do donuts in the sky. Size and portability are also factors that are important to consider. If you plan to travel with your drone, you might opt in for a smaller and more portable version. But if you don't mind lugging around with a larger drone, you might get better performance out of it. When it comes to range and flight time, we all want a drone that will stay in the air for a decent amount of time. It will go a certain distance with a stable signal. Nothing worse than your drone conking out in the middle of a beautiful sunset shot. If you plan to use your drone for photo and video, make sure to pay attention to the camera quality. No one wants grainy, shaky and blurry footage. Except maybe your ex, but that's a different story. Also, don't forget about the legal and regulatory considerations. In many countries, drones that weigh less than 250 grams do not require registration and may have fewer restrictions where they are allowed to be flown. This is why it's a good option for beginners that just wants to learn the basics of flying a drone, without the added responsibility of registering and worrying about where they can fly the drone. But there's no way around that. You need to check the local rules before flying so you don't end up in areas that can get you into trouble. As said, you have a lot more options with a sub 250 gram drone. Just keep in mind that drones in this weight class might have less performance than the bigger drones. Especially in terms of image quality and how it handles wind, there's a difference. But they are still a lot of fun to fly and capable of capturing stunning aerial footage. Here's my recommended list of drones for first-time buyers. Please keep in mind it's always a good idea to do your own research, as I do not know your specific needs or budgets when choosing a drone. But if you want to learn more in details about these drones, most of them are or will be covered here on the channel. So that's a good reason for you to consider subscribing. Also, as usual, you will find purchase links in the description below in case you want to go and check out the specs and maybe pick one out already. Also, if you have any additional questions, let me know. So there you have it, some things to consider when you're shopping for your first drone. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.